Hey guys, this is Justin
and Aubrey
with Dynasty Preppers, and today we're going to take a look at a really new box that I'm really excited about. This is from Jason at Poor Man's Preparing, called the PMP's Prep Box. Lots of cool stuff in this one. Stay tuned to find out more. Alright guys, so I'm really excited to show you this one. This is the new box from Poor Man's Preparing called the Prep Box. This is the first month. I think this was April. And unfortunately I haven't had a chance to review it until now because we were out of town for a while. So Jason from Poor Man's Preparing is the one who's putting this together. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel and Facebook page and stuff there so you can get in on this stuff. He has committed to providing high quality gear every month for a certain price. Now the first two boxes, there was just a single box. I think there's two boxes now. I think there's a regular box and then a next level up that has more gear in it. And I think the upcoming theme is EDC. So if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure you go check him out. I think it's poormanspreparing.com. So let's dig into this. I really dug this box. It did have a lot of high quality gear in there. And I think the price I paid, I think it was $58. Might have been 62. The shipping on the first box is a little higher. It did go down for the second box, so I think it's at 58 now. So we'll go through. I'll take everything out. I'll go through the prices, the MSRPs that are listed on here, and then we'll go from there. So the first thing on the list is the Fully Prepped book by Todd Jones, and this is a comprehensive guide to what you need to be prepared. I have not read this one yet, so this will be a good look through to see what this is like. And we'll let you guys know what we think of that there. But it's nice to have some instructional material in the first one. And then we've got a Moore Knife Robust. And the Moore Knife Robust is a carbon steel blade. They come around $20 usually. I like Moore knives. The Moore knives are nice to have around. They're not a super expensive knife, but it's one of those that has a really high quality and makes you kind of feel like you can use it and kind of beat it up. We do have a few more knives around. It is nice to have another one. Another use for this is that it does a nice smaller size where kids can start using this as well too. So that is a good use for that. Also comes with the Coffee Wick fire starters. So these are unique. This is a made out of used coffee, I believe, that they use in these tins here. So it'll be interesting to try to check this out. I've heard these are supposed to burn for a really long time. Actually, on here it says up to 30 minutes, so that would be a really good way to get your fire started. And I'll be interested to see if it smells like coffee. You guys know I like coffee, so that'll be a good thing. The next thing is the Aquamira Frontier water filter, and this is the Frontier straw. Now these are really good to put in bags. I think this is a really easy filtration to use, and I think this is probably going to go in one of our kids' bags because this would be nice and easy for them to use. For the younger kids, so I think this is a nice piece of gear to add in there. And it does filter up to 20 gallons, so it'd be good for like a get-home bag or something for shorter term. The next is the Dragonfire Minis Fire Starter Kit, and this, my daughter says, reminds her of Chinese food, which is kind of cool. And this has a lot of stuff that you can use to light fires in there. You just open the box and you can unfold the entire box and use it to light, or you can use it for multiple fires. So always good to have fire starting stuff there. We'll have to check that out. And then we've got the paracord here, and this is a regular 550 paracord. My girls already decided that they wanted this because it's a nice, very bright color, and they like that, so I guess they're going to start making some things out of that. So always good to have some more paracord. It has a lot of good uses. And the last item is kind of an add-on. This is a small fire kit made by Jason himself. And if you haven't looked at his stuff before, I've got some other fire kits here. Jason makes awesome fire kits. I've got another one here that I had ordered from him. This is a nice waterproof kit. It's got some fat wood and these tinder grenades, which I'm going to review separately, that I thought would be really good for kids' fire starters. So he does sell these individually as well. He's got some really great fire starting kits. So to see this handmade one here from him for the box was kind of cool. This is a nice small package you could use. You can carry it in your pocket or whatnot. But you've got a few different things in there. You've got some wax fire starters, some matches, The red pill that just fell out is a magnesium pill, so you can open that up and use that to help start the fire. You got a wet fire, you've got some tinder there, and this is a spark wheel. So everything you need to start a fire right here. So that is a really cool addition to the box, I think. Alright, so I've got the box out of the way here. We're just going to go through the MSRP on all these and everything really quick. So the fully prepped book is $19.95 MSRP and $19.95 on the back. So you've got $20 there. The Moore knife is $19.95, which I know most Moores retail for around $20, so that's accurate. Coffee Wick fire starters are $4.95. The Frontier water filter is $11.95, and I know these are about the same because I've looked into that recently for getting some for the kids. The Dragonfire Mini is $3.50. The paracord is $8.95, which is accurate, because I purchased some of that recently. And then you've got the PMP's Fire Kit, which has about a $15 value, and with the tins themselves and everything else that's included in that, I would agree with that. So really good first box. Got a lot of good equipment in here that you can use if you're trying to build a bag or something like that. So I definitely give this a big thumbs up. Jason, I think you did a great job, and I will highly recommend this to our viewers. If you like good quality gear, go ahead and check out PMP's Prep Box. I'll put a link down below if I can. So again, we really recommend PMP's Prep Box. We'll go ahead and put that in there. We've got the second box to review that'll be coming up, and a nice little surprise there for our viewers in our 500 subscriber giveaway. Hint, we'll be giving one of those extra boxes away. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give the video a big thumbs up. And like I said, stay tuned because we do have a 500 subscriber giveaway coming up. So here's the prep box. Don't forget to ask yourself, what have you done to secure your Dynasty today? Thanks, guys.